So which hearing aids have the best sound quality? My name is Dr. Ben Thompson. I'm an audiologist. I wanted to make a video about this question, which is so commonly asked. Fortunately, my colleagues over at Hearing Tracker put together a survey of 500 hearing doctors, audiologists like myself, around the United States to ask the question, which hearing aids have the best sound quality? The answers were limited to the 6 major hearing aid manufacturers: Oticon, Phonak, Resound, Widex, Signia, and Starkey. Before I tell you which hearing aids have the best sound quality, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you have an extra resource to help you on your way. Very few individuals have systematically experimented by wearing all different types of hearing aids. And there's not so much research that asks large groups of people about their sound quality perceptions comparing different modern hearing aids. Additionally, new hearing aids come out every year. So any research that tries to ask the patients or the clients, the customers this question, it has to be redone so frequently that it's hard to keep up. From this Hearing Tracker survey, the hearing company that had the best sound quality was Oticon. Second best was Phonak. Additionally, Widex, Resound, Signia, and Starkey complete this list. So if you're just looking to base your decision on buying hearing aids from the collective audiology community, then you would consider Oticon as having the best sound quality. Now, this survey was taken at the end of 2020, so these results do change over time, but it is certainly clear that Oticon has a good reputation for sound quality. What I want to bring into this conversation is that it's not only sound quality that will make hearing aids work for you and that will give you the best hearing possible. Some other factors that are important for sound quality are the frequency range of the hearing aids, which means what's the lowest pitch sound they can process to your ears, and then up to the highest pitch sounds that can be processed to your ears. So why would a hearing aid have better sound quality than others? It's a few factors combined, but a big one is the sound processing, the internal sound processing that goes on behind the scenes in the computer chip of the hearing aids. Additionally, there's the frequency range of the amplified signal. What's the lowest pitch tone that's processed to your ear? And then what's the highest pitch tone that's processed through your ear? Also, a big factor about getting the best sound quality out of your hearing aids is working with the right kind of professional. So if you were to buy Oticon hearing aids online and put them in your ears and expect them to sound great, that is not going to do it for you. If you were to buy Oticon hearing aids online and work with an audiologist like myself to help you, then you'd likely have some good results. But if you were looking to get the best possible sound quality out of your hearing aids, then using a system called real ear measures with an in-person audiologist at a clinic is the way to get the most out of your hearing aids. So let me walk you through something. If you had Widex or Signia hearing aids, which according to this survey did not rate at the top of the list, but if you had them fit working with a professional and possibly with real ear measures, then the sound quality of those hearing aids are likely to be a lot better than if you were to just buy Oticon or Phonak hearing aids online yourself or through some company online that were not fit from a hearing test, that were not fit working with a professional. It's unlikely that would do you that much better. So the professional services of an audiologist are very important. Don't overlook that. And also the actual sound quality of the hearing aid, the processing, the computer chip, that's very important too. So you need to figure out what is your balance between the best sound quality, the best professional services, the best value for your hearing aids, how much money you have in your budget to spend, how much better you want your hearing to be. Those are all questions that are individual. So please ask yourself those questions. You can use my YouTube channel here as a resource for you. And just remember that going ahead and moving forward with hearing aids is a process, so do your research. And if you're asking this question, you're likely asking the right questions. I want to introduce you to another video on my side. I recommend you watch this next video. So check it out there and I'll see you there. Bye-bye.